Every morning your feet hit the floor, tell yourself today could be the day. Today could be the day I turn my world upside down for the better. Today could be the day everything changes. Today is the day I take all things in my life to another level. It only takes one moment, one decision, one action, and your whole entire life could change forever. You want a better life, a better job, your own company, more money, more happiness, a better, stronger body, a better relationship. You can have it all if you just decide today that you will no longer settle for average. What if you set a goal today and actually committed to take an action now to improve every area of your life for the next 90 days? Do you think you could become the greatest version of yourself? You bet your bottom dollar you could, but only with commitment. We are talking about real commitment, real discipline, and real hard work. The truth is, it only takes a moment to make that decision. It only takes a moment. The truth is, you can have whatever you want in life if you are committed and consistent day in, day out. But you know how the story goes? What usually happens? Life gets in the way, doesn't it? You got bills to pay, things to do around the house, relationship problems. It's too hard right now. I'll do it later. Yeah, let me tell you something. That word later almost always turns into another word. Never. Sometimes we tend to ramble on a lot about the haters, the doubters, the naysayers, right? But really, there is no greater obstacle in your way than your own self. That story you made up to yourself about why you can't do this and can't do that. Listen to me. The only thing keeping you from your dreams is yourself. Nothing else. It only takes one moment to make a decision. One moment to say no. To say never again. Never again will I settle. Never again will I accept anything but best place. One moment to be strong. One moment to separate myself from the rest. You have to change your habits. If your habits is always to take action right now, then your results will skyrocket, I guarantee it. If your habit is always tomorrow, you will be the person that is saying tomorrow until there are no tomorrows left. Today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day.